Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica on any song. To begin, you'll need to understand the concept of playing in different positions. This approach allows a single harmonica to be used across various musical keys. We will focus on the three most common positions, which cover a vast majority of songs you'll encounter. Mastering these positions is the fundamental step to unlocking your harmonica's versatility and playing along with almost any tune you desire. Let's dive into the three primary harmonica positions. First position, or straight harp, means your harmonica is in the same key as the song. For example, a C harmonica for a C song. Second position, known as cross harp, is incredibly popular for blues and rock. Here, a C harmonica is used for a G song. Third position provides a minor key feel, perfect for tunes in D minor when using a C harmonica. Each position offers a distinct tonal quality. To match your harmonica to any song, first identify the song's key. Many online resources or music apps can help with this. Once you know the song's key, you can select the appropriate harmonica and playing position. For instance, if a song is in the key of G, you would typically grab a C harmonica and play in second position. If the song is in C, a C harmonica in first position works well. This systematic approach ensures you're always in tune. Consistent practice is key to mastering this technique. Listen intently to the song's melody and chord changes to guide your playing. Don't be afraid to experiment with bending notes, as this adds significant expression to your sound. Try playing along with 10 to 15 different songs in various keys to solidify your understanding. With dedication, you'll soon be able to pick up any harmonica and play along with virtually any piece of music you hear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.